I finally discovered the secret to surviving those long haul flights. No matter how I used to sleep before, I would wake up with a stiff neck and be in so much pain. That was until I discovered the turtleneck pillow, and it's honestly such a game changer.
It supports your neck instead of letting your head fall forward or to the side. And especially if you are a side sleeper like me, it just feels natural to want to curl up like this. It stays in place, feels structured but comfortable, and makes sleeping upright so much easier. What I love the most is that it is more supportive and compact than traditional travel pillows, so it holds your head up and also doesn't feel bulky or annoying to carry. It clips right onto my suitcase, which makes traveling so much easier.
If you have a long flight coming up, this is honestly worth the purchase.
Take too much of the packaging off, since it says returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So I will keep this attached with the case and everything, but it's going back because I don't want to have this color, the neon and the gray. I want black. That's what I ordered. That's what I paid for. That's what I should get. Thanks.
Don't ever fly again, or until you've checked out the Turtle travel pillow. I never slept on long haul flights until I made this my travel partner. With its unique design, it keeps your head upright and warm as the fabric is so soft. You can say goodbye to head bobbing, and you're going to sleep like you're in first class, even when you travel economy.
Pillow was a huge game changer. I can say after my first use that it is absolutely worth it.